Oh, go.
What's this? What's that?
Ghost.
Ghost. Right. What's in the closet? What's in the closet? What's that?
H-O-A-O-A-O.
Boo bats. Is it in the bowls? What's in the bowls?
Apples.
Apples? Right.
And apples.
Yeah, apples.
Oh, what's that?
What's under the bed? What's under the bed?
Happy.
Yeah, it's a hat.
Boo. This is
Let's open the door. What's that?
pumpkin.
There's a pumpkin. What are these?
This is.
What's this?
This is.
Bats, ghost, cat.
A ghost.
Yeah. What about this book? Who's that?
Elmo.
Yeah, Elmo. Okay, what's here? What's under here? Ready? Boo! What's under here?
This is.
Twiddlebugs.
Zoe.
Where's Zoe? Who's in there?
Zoe.
That's not Zoe. Who's this?
Bert.
Bert?
Ernie.
Yeah, Ernie.
Zoe. Zoe. Zoe.
There's Zoe.
Elmo.
Yeah, Elmo's standing on his head. Who's this?
Count.
Yeah, that's the count.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Gosh. Pumpkin.
That's Grover.
It's Boo.
Okay, ready? Boo! Happy Halloween!
It's Zoe. Green.
Who's that?
Burgers.
Who's that?
Uh-oh.